Hello everyone, I'm Prince Jacob C. Garcia, and I will be interviewing one of the school administrators here in our place, who is also a physical fitness enthusiast. Would you like to introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening, Jacob.
Yes, sir.
So I'm Dr. Joel Apostol Garcia, currently Principal 3 of Itape 1 Central Elementary School, Itape 1 District, and I also have units in physical education during my masteral years. And I've been in the position for about 30 years in service.
So I have some question for you, sir.
Yes,
So,
go on.
first, what types of lifestyle you have at present, and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
Okay, for me, no, lifestyle is very important. At my age, that I'm already in my 50s, uh, I see to it that I have a good lifestyle, and the lifestyle that I have always to implement or to practice is that I have to eat a balanced food, then extra careful of the food that I'm going to intake, because at my age, as I was saying, I have to be extra conscious of my health, and by doing so, I have to follow strict diet and lifestyle. Why? Nowadays, we are surrounded by so many kinds of pollution, and I see to it that I have a good immune system to fight this kind of diseases that may come into my life. And by doing so, you have to have regular exercises in order to release this kind of negative energy within me.
Thank you, sir. So,
Yes.
second question. What is your turning point made you realize to engage in a physical activity, and what keeps you motivated?
Okay, one of the turning point that made me realize to engage in physical activity is that when I always experience not feeling well, it's because maybe with my works, I'm so stressful, very stressed, no, with dealing with people, so many paperworks and meeting deadlines, knowing that we're so bombarded with so many activities to be reported. That's why um, I cannot guarantee myself that in a turning point I may not feeling well. So I opted to have a kind or a regular or an activity that keeps me going when I see my fellow teachers doing their Zumba activities every afternoon. So I am also motivated to do that because that's one way of releasing stress within me. And for so many weeks that I've been doing so, I feel better and better.
So, last question, sir.
Yes?
As an exercise enthusiast or a regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with an interest in engaging physical activity?
Okay, so that's a very good question. Now, for me, as I was saying that I'm already in my 50s, and I always encourage my co-teachers, no, my fellow teachers as well as my fellow administrators, that we really have to engage in some regular exercise in our school. And what's that? No, I let them go into volleyball sports or different kinds of sports. Others may opted to go into volleyball, other may go into basketball, or other may go into badminton or tennis. But some teachers opted to have a Zumba exercise because at their age, just like me, so I have to be extra careful with my physical, and they find it Zumba more interesting. Every afternoon before going to home, before going back to our home station, at least we have 30 to 1 hour doing Zumba exercises every day in order to feel more relaxed and to feel more better, and to have more energy in the following day in order to perform more their duties. And as I observed, in 1 month doing the Zumba exercise, I feel more younger, and I always feel better and can cope up so many stress, and taking some vitamins in order also to supplement our body needs.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and informative that you're giving to me.
Okay, so remember, Jacob, that it's not only sports activity that will help people to be more healthy, but you can go into other alternatives that you think that may help them to be better. Okay.
Hi everyone, once again I'm Prince Jacob C. Garcia, and now I'm gonna interviewing my sister who is a regular exerciser. So would you like to introduce yourself, miss?
Yes, so hi, I am Princess Daphne Garcia. I'm 21 years old and I consider myself as a regular exerciser.
So I have some question for you, ma'am. So are you ready?
Yes.
First, what types of lifestyle do you have at present, and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
I currently lead a healthy lifestyle which includes a diet, eating nutritious food, and exercising. Of course, I chose this type of lifestyle to become better version of myself, both physically and psychologically.
So next, what was your turning point that you made you realize to engage in physical activity, and what keeps you motivated?
Being diagnosed with PCOS at the age of 19 and having a family history of diabetes has made me more aware of the importance of my lifestyle choices. This was the tipping point for me to genuinely focus on being healthy, exercising regularly, and eating nutritious meals. This keeps me motivated to get healthy so I may recover from my conditions and avoid further illnesses.
So, my last question for you, ma'am, is as an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activities?
My advice to those who are not engaging in physical activity is that exercise is truly important in our lives. It is not only it not only helps you stay physically fit, but also aids in reducing life's problems, like making you more inclined to handle daily tasks. I know that starting to exercise isn't easy, but you can manage it by doing it at least 2 to 3 times a week to stretch your muscles and especially improve your brain function. So just start with light exercises.
Thank you for your time and informative thoughts, ma'am, that you have shared to me. So my reflection is, living a healthy lifestyle has been transformative for me, both physically and psychologically. The choice to embrace nutritious food and regular exercise stem from my desire to become the best version of myself. For those hesitant about physical activity, I cannot stress enough the importance of exercise. It not only keeps you fit but also enhances your ability to tackle daily challenges, offering both physical and mental benefits.